All right, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a beautiful city.
I am going to describe beautiful city. Dubai is a beautiful city present in Arab United Emirates, and Dubai is known everyone, not me. It's present in the beautiful buildings like tallest building Burj Khalifa, second five-star hotel, and beautiful beaches. Dubai knows everyone, and it's very famous for tourists, and it's provide excellent jobs and management and hospitality. And it is not it's conclude that it's is a small it started off small village and transferred into a global hub in 20,000 century, and it's a dream country, and everyone goes for spend vacations, and it is affordable for everyone.
Okay, you spoke for 1 minute. There are multiple grammatical mistakes, so you need to brush up your English grammar. Second, there are factual mistakes, like you said 20,000 something.
20,000 century,
20,000 century, there is no century like
2000
20,000
year,
Okay.
2000 years.
So there are factual mistakes as well. So try to overcome that as well. And don't try to use any facts and figures in your IELTS speaking.
Okay.
Don't try to use any fake survey report or anything like that. Just talk straightforward.
But sir,
Beautiful city,
yes
talk
sir,
about the
yes,
beauty of the city.
yes. Sir, like best, but matlab 6 7 bands not.
No, at the moment you are capable of getting around 5
Sir,
band.
first week maybe Q test part 2 first
अपनी
day.
इंग्लिश ग्रामर को इम्प्रूव करें,
Yes sir.
उससे फिर आपका बैंड स्कोर अभी जो आपका लेवल है वो 5 बैंड वाला है.